Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing the JBL Tune 720BT wireless over-ear headphones versus the JBL Tune 770 NC adaptive noise cancelling wireless over-ear headphones. Now, if you don't know what these two offer or do, so the JBL Tune 720BT offers a wireless over-ear headphone experience offering JBL's pure bass sound, extending battery life, and a lightweight foldable design. While the JBL Tune 770 NC offers a wireless over-ear headphones featuring adaptive noise cancelling, JBL pure bass sound, and customizable listening modes. Now, if you haven't already noticed, both of these are extremely similar, and this one, the JBL Tune 770, is just a tad bit more expensive. Now, let's go over their pros and cons and compare both of them. So the pros of the JBL Tune 720BT is that it has up to 76 hours of battery life, it is lightweight and has a foldable design, and has a multi-point connection port. Now the cons of it is that it lacks in active noise cancelling, and it doesn't have any ambient sound modes. Now let's discuss the pros and cons of the JBL Tune 770. Now the pros of it is that it has adaptive noise cancelling with smart ambient features. It has customizable EQ settings via the JBL Headphones app, and has up to 70 hours of battery life. Now the cons of it is slightly heavier due to added features, and a shorter battery life compared to the 720BT. However, 76 hours compared to 70 is not that noticeable since you won't be using your headphones for 70 hours straight. Now the conclusion, which one is right for you? So you should choose the JBL Tune 720BT if you prioritize a longer battery life and a lightweight design for everyday use. So you would mainly choose this one for a lighter or more portable use. And you should choose this one, the JBL Tune 770, if you desire active noise cancelling and customizable sound settings for more immersive listening experience. So overall, the JBL Tune 770 is the better option for both of them. So yeah, that is it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.